How to connect Instagram to WIX website. Open your web browser and go to wix.com. Log in with your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your WIX dashboard where you manage your website. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see several options. Hover your mouse over Apps. Click on App Market from the Apps menu. In the App Market, look for a search bar. Type Instagram feed into it and press Enter. From the search results, click on the Instagram feed app. Click the Add to Site button to start the installation. After the app installs, close the tab that opened to finish the process. You'll see an option to open the Instagram feed app. Click on it. Click on Add to Site to place the Instagram feed on your website. Click on the Instagram feed widget you added to your site. Click on Account Settings. Then click Connect to link your Instagram account. Follow the steps to log into your Instagram and authorize the connection. And that's how you connect your Instagram feed to your WIX website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.